We're back and moving on to a new element in today's show. Earlier we told you we were going to be helping the guys out at Powertrain Products introduce a new performance crate engine to their lineup. Well, Ron Lawson is their general manager, and he's here today to help us out and give us his ideas on this new addition. Ron, Powertrain Products specializes in reman engines for all makes and models. Why are you guys getting in the performance side?
We get a lot of requests from our customers looking for something a little overstock. So because the LS market's so hot right now, and the 5.3s, the LS series is so easy to make power with, we decided to go ahead with this platform to move into the performance side of the market.
Cool. Finding cores isn't going to be a problem.
No, not at all. We have plenty of cores to build them.
In the future, you're looking at 6.0s and 4.8s
Yes.
and all that as options too?
Yeah, if everything takes off with the 5.3 with this particular setup, then in the future we may start exploring the 6.0 and move on from there.
Goal for power?
I'd like to break into the 400 mark.
That's good. That's good. I don't think we'll have a problem with it.
No, I hope not.
Pat's got this thing all jazzed up on the dyno, so we can go in there, see what it's all about, and get a baseline.
Awesome.
The recipient of today's power increase is this 2006 LM7 5.3 liter truck engine. Now, these are known for their impressive strength and great longevity when they're taken care of properly. This one's been dressed with some shorty headers, a dual plane intake and 650 CFM carburetor, both from Holley, and an electric water pump. Now, for comparison reasons, we always do a baseline run because that's the first part of the equation.
We already ran this engine for several minutes with different percentages of load applied for proper ring break-in and seating. Now we're going to make the pulls from 2,500 to 6,000 RPM. This engine made 285 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque from GM. So we're going to see how it does and even let Ron run the controls. Seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Good.
Let her buck there. It's got good oil pressure. Make a nice torque.
94 pounds of oil pressure at
Ooh.
6,000.
Oh my goodness. The baseline numbers are very respectable. 312 horsepower at 5,400 RPM, 366 pound-feet of torque at 3,800 RPM. This exceeds the factory rating by a nice margin.
Cool. Good baseline. Build upon that.
Easy as that, and we've gotten these from you before, and everything always runs spectacular. So always has good oil pressure, no problems at all. So now the fun part is, now we get to change a couple parts and see what we pick up.
Awesome. Good.
Powertrain Products offers the LS power plant in a long block setup like the engine we just dynoed. They also offer an upgraded package which includes a performance camshaft and valve spring upgrade. An upgrade like this will yield more valve lift and hold the valve open longer for more airflow through the engine, which will make more power.
The best thing is, both the cam and spring upgrades are pre-installed by Powertrain Products before the engine ships to you. And the engine also carries a warranty. The performance version does not require the hassle of returning a core. With the increased airflow due to the cam upgrade, we are stepping up to our runs good on everything 950 dyno carb. Ron mentioned he's always wanted to run a dyno, so we've got him at the helm.
All right. Are you ready? This is your first dyno pull, Ron. Are you excited? Or?
I am. Let's do it.
Okay.
All right.
Good luck. All right. D. Watch your oil pressure. Always watch your oil pressure. Right back to the stop. Nicely done. Nicely done. Well, let's see what we got here. 401 horse, 392 pound-feet of torque.
That is awesome.
How about that now?
Great.
We just took a stock 5.3 stock block, stock head, put a little bit spicier cam in it, manifold and carb, 400 horse.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Torque's impressive on
I
this.
know, this thing is, the whole thing is impressive, and I think you guys are going to sell a lot of these things. That's this is going to be a home run.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping for. That's exactly what we wanted to do.
Mel, thanks for coming by. Nice job, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.